she borrowed some books from the tourism office. They're very, very nice pictures of Yangon there. And I think it's even better than the ones you took with your old camera.
It's not going to be the same.
Oh, but you know, pictures, they fade through time. But your memories, they will last forever.
Those pictures are from my parents. Alam mo ba yun? Para sa kanila na hindi nakapunta dito.